tree damage with that severe thunderstorm that rolled through here. Did get reports that there are power lines down as well. Seen a few trees down, some large limbs. It's supposed to be right up here, I think. Tornado warnings with this system that came through as well this afternoon down near Peachtree City and Conyers and Covington, and then it kind of headed up here to this area. The tornado warnings dropped off, but we did have some 50 to 60 mile per hour winds kind of come through this area. And so there's another tree that got sawed up. Tree damage there. Yeah, it looks like it's right up here. They've got this sign saying road closed ahead. Yep. There it is. So, yeah, there's the power pole. Right back there, you can see it snapped. So they are working on clearing it.